You're back. You did it. Let's go 10-minute at-home walking workout. We're going to do some real cardio today. Let's start moving. We're going to do a cross-body toe tap. To start, I want to move hard today. I want to get the blood flowing, elevate my mood, really boost energy. I will show some modifications if you need to slow it down, but just stick with me for 10 minutes. Let's move constantly. Have some fun. And this is workout number 2 for me. All these workouts, and I forgot to press record. I just finished doing it. It was awesome too. I don't know exactly what to say. We're going to go again. It's going to be equally as awesome the second time. We're going to work hard. We're going to have fun. We're going to embrace mistakes. Life is too short to get angry about silly mistakes. Let's go. Anytime you need to slow it down today, you do so. But please, let's just move constantly for 10 minutes. Build incredible cardiovascular endurance one day at a time. Let's look down, make sure, oh yes, I've pressed record. That is important if you want to upload a video to YouTube. Okay, let's just walk for a moment. Oh, I gotta fix it. I'm going with pace, all right? If ever we if we take a break just to walk and you want to go more gently, you do so. I'm going to try to really keep moving through the entire workout, through round 2. Okay. I want to do a side step with a bit of a squat. I'm going to bounce. I am feeling it today. Feeling extra good now. But if this looks like this for you, it's beautiful. It's a great move. But maybe you can sink a little deeper each time, maybe go a little quicker. You just do you. Let's just embrace physical activity, natural movement. I'm enjoying the barefoot workouts, working on extra muscles in the feet that maybe we wouldn't normally when we got shoes on. Come on. I was really so happy with the first workout. It went so well. I noticed it. I hadn't pressed record. I let out a quick swear word. I really just start again. That's where I'm getting better. Recognize the mistake and not dwelling, just moving on. Let's go. What are you going to do? No point crying over spilled milk. What's done is done. Come on. Oh yeah, I can feel this one now. Let's go. Couple more. Head up. Yes. Ooh. All right. Let's walk. Again, I'm going with pace. Ooh. Swing the arms. And I'm moving around my mat. All different places. If I was going to ask a child, I think the heart rate might be up a little much. If I was going to ask a child to walk in place, what would they do? They wouldn't stand there like this. They'd be all over the place. They'd be moving and grooving. Maybe we can do that too. Ooh, just move in dynamic ways. Yeah, okay. Ooh. This is serious business here. Let's go. No more foolishness. We're going to tap. All right. And then out, side. Building great strength in the arms, as well as building incredible endurance. We can do it all. 10 minutes. It's amazing. Come on. Stick with me the entire workout. If you need to slow it down, or maybe just go into a light walk, that's fine, as long as you're moving. Just move. A little coordination needed with this. I think I'm keeping it together this time. I did mess it up a lot the first time, so maybe that's why I don't look like such a dummy. Oh wait, I'm the one who didn't press record. Oh, okay, there, I did mess that up, so let's just forget that. All right, come on, we're walking. Let's move. All right, I want to come right into a skater. This could be just very simple for you. Just this movement. Look at all this. Look at how much is offering here. A light, gentle move. I'm feeling good. I really do want to get the heart rate up. You can take that leg and reach it a little further each time also. Get more mobility, flexibility as we continue to get that heart up pumping. Ooh, yeah. Just functional fitness, natural movement. Come on. This is amazing. Couple more. And brilliant. I'm coming right into a march. So, if this is where you're at, you want to march like this, just stick with it, get that leg up as high as you can, and if that's here, that's fine. I'm going into a skip march. I'm taking my skip march for a walk all around the town. This is my little pink town, and I want to see it all. You cannot be unhappy when you're skipping. I love to see children, when they're out playing, they're just skipping around. Oh, just natural movement, the joy of physical activity. Let's embrace that. Be more like that. Yeah. We're working. This is hard work. Find the thing you love, the movement that brings you joy, and then it's not hard work. It is fun. Okay, and let's walk. I'm walking with pace. I was so blessed with the love of physical activity and sport. When I used to train in all my sports, it never felt like hard work. Find the movement, find exercise that you love, and it won't be hard work. Put your head down, push yourself, and it is fun. Dance, get in the garden. We don't really have to put our head down in the garden, but it is actually hard work. All that pulling, getting up and down, bending over, amazing physical activity. Just find movement that you love. Really swing the arms. Let's pump. Come on. And again, if you're here, that's great. I'm just really ramped up now. Oh, I know. Positive people are so irritating. Oh, grew up with one, and then I turned into them. We can always look at the bright side of things. I may be repeating myself. Did I say this last video, or am I saying it now? Who knows? Oh, what's important is that we show up, have a positive outlook, move naturally, eat wisely. Oh, stay connected. Shake that outlet. One last exercise. Cross body and punch or reach, whichever you like. Punch. You're frustrated. Punch away that frustration. Or just reach it out. And maybe it's just like this. Ooh, what a lovely exercise. Just like this. Or you go a little deeper. You decide. Pardon me. Just a couple more. Reach. And we did it. Well done. Really gentle, slow walk. Just embrace everything you've taken in today. Just absorb. Oh yeah. Amazing. Well done to you. Embrace the mistakes of today. Learn from them. Move past them. Do your best not to make them again. Don't forget to smile. We're incomplete humans. There's nowhere to get to. Just enjoy the ride. Oh, that's it for today. It's truly important you keep showing up for yourself. This is our penultimate workout of our 28-day challenge. One more to go. Ooh, I guess we'll have to start again in April. Comment, job done, share your progress, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.